It's almost officially summer. Let's do a courtyard tour and look at some combinations. This is a beautiful, cool color combination with some wonderful icy mauve delphiniums, and we've got the heliotrope for fragrance. They also attract butterflies, and we've got some beautiful, beautiful salvia and the white of the geraniums. It's just a beautiful display for full sun. This is a really great hot color combination, mixing the celosia with the yellow of the dahlias. These mixed foliage baskets are great for shade to part sun, and they're so colorful without even having flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. The cool thing about them is they don't have to be hanging baskets. You can pop these off and use them as a planter. This garden is a study in textures, not only color, but textures. You have the beautiful softness of the grass, the yarrow right behind it, and the dianthus forming almost a little hedgehog, as well as the heather. It's a beachy look. You can bring in beech wood and everything. It's just an absolute summer iconic look. And for something completely different, look at this gorgeous tropical look. You have your beautiful red bananas, and this beautiful mimosa tree with different textures. Look at these flowers. And then for our pollinators, we have salvia and angara.